Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Insem TV GH so wofre me adwowa search name.
Adu atem. Ena sana list over na tem didi a odidi na na ado ne ba omie ni na ne se John Mahama mbra na nkaport onye free na wonyi ne niama. Ena ende John Mahama aban ba ye no wakwahye company di aba se yesi ye di AI ena eba abeji sebe o calculation. Na sa AI no mo de ba port wo no. Eye mi de o awo eye mi de o ebrochirefu ya ka se mo so na so mo se mu nti o. Eye mi de o mo amuye fosu no o eye mi de o se mo se na na adonye me bo a fosu fo na na adonye mutie microwave fo fridge fo mo amade mattress ko na na do was not good na na do amu kra ene ye di AI aba Mahama AI Mahama me se be my God, you are too great. My Lord, you are great. Sovereignty, you are sovereign. A brochre near what's in a brochre, what a Canada ha, what a Canada ha, ambulance ya the papa, or my sabio and ye dumakeke, abanye dumaya. What's a Canada ha, we a container, price ya what they talk container and they corner kosoro. Uko yidia, what's an anado dear, on from the free into anado ya by bonnet, and they see the AI. Dr. Bawomiana mudi na terminal papa no misimu nya ne seso anana na adu nya ne seso da na Ghana fo ya beifuo bi asebio ye beye ne ye de sei ye ho ye problem no woni mutu atu bi eye mi de o awo eye mi de o ebrochirefo ye kaso manti o misi ne mo ananka mutumi di bail ikono ye di AI be calculate enti na wo de ba akokọ e be da kwa wontumi nyi sika ye bebu ama no wontumi fa nyi force bail na ho na be kwase a waye wo te Canada ha aban bi di ambulance aba wo te Canada ha sabio legal aid 1966 and Ghana establishing legal aid aban bi antumi ama legal aid anya adwuma wo Ghana except na nado danko Akufo-Addo under Godfrey Dame. Na mo fe say dia mo de MPP ni Nyankopon ba be hwe mo sa me kwasi apa me mpai bo kapapa enti wona me ko ato hu yie e bia na me simi miawo me ka kire mo from Ghana said the dust will settle very soon and we shall know the real nature of these people obi abeti bi ehia obi abeti bi edi kwasi wa ban ne de wa ban mame mo to mo bo ase Corona bebubu yen afen ye try na bia na mo de pressure to na na do we na kan oforiata kromfuo erade kan oforiata wa boye kronu o we wi ayani o na do nko yo na do ko ene pot na ye ka say ye bema aba form amount pot na ye be dada wo say ye be ma na ye adwuma yie di ama ho no ninua Ibrahim Mahama de twe ne excavators e de ye galamsey wo first bill kakra na wo di free brochire no no mo de toto ma mi nuro no ene ye say ye di AI na e be calculate afi na wusu mu hwe enum tuni bi to ne nyom no say etesen medofuei etesen abrabo a wo boi anamo a wotuei eso nyame ani ana NDC fo a mode se be boni be se ye kon ene etesen yesi akoko be bom ade ache panin na ne abofra bio sa boy no ne nyom ye medama oje etesen Ose kanina na sabe ye matete wa no munya free education nko na ye su wan na de me ba ko school won ko di pa o wan na me di and na ye de wo ba ko school no Ghana ni wura free say bre bi na ne mba nko school na omu gu fie enyenyem ye ya abortions rough kanina na wini bie no na wona ye ntenti ya we radi fie e free say wunya de a wo hwehwe bisa wo ho say etisan say munim sa anyum no etisan made of way etisan wa brabo awubo ya na ma wutu ya so nyame ani ana ba say munim sa anyum no onipa didi wi ana ne wira fi onipa didi wi ana ne wira fi enti na do ba ya wo ma kane ani gina aso 8 years no baba na sabio na onya adwuma nya Mahama time no ni wira firi se ebire bi na esese ode afen ene board esan konante obi a wasi ne store oni electricity enti ajes wo de afekoko yi o se kanina wuni bie no kanina na wodadum so mu no na wusu se government papa bi mra and the government ne de kan ye gina so ebe ma am 4 interchanges ebe ma am 2 international airports no musi there bi o there bi da because when you are setting up a party and then this by here to say dollar number form and the dollar no and this for it is saying hey yes Mahama te petrol so am a first station for no aduane de che and it is saying I'm a dream say when you Ghana for that ya maka kire mo sekre I'm a very fair individual and whatever I say based on conviction. So let me tell you guys something sa abrona Ghana for to state land matter aban sase esi omo dan kura wie dada yente plus e be say baba yanko
Is agree that not out. One of the reasons why people are in prison in this country is because they are poor. The real crime is poverty. I know people in this government that they came here, they bought government land, they are finished buildings. I know all of them. I know all of them. So nobody should talk about Ora again. Ora is collapsed. We have collapsed it. One day when I get angry, I will release everybody's land document.
Hey, Nanado. Alaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Nanado and Alaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Nyame ben na musum. Musum nyame ben. Wow. A plus say. NDC for now koto a state how a state lands. Omo ba ye ya within 1 year omo sisi omo dan ya wie. No no day on enche bia onu bu befu obebe be release land no bia ne de. Yo Nanado. Me say ejapade say book no. Ghana for mama wadwen amaso. Say ejapade book no. A NDC for blueprint to make the Mahama family rich. And we fell for it. And the A plus Munti in the last time. Say be I want here. Yanko.
Is agree that not out. One of the reasons why people are in prison in this country is because they are poor. The real crime is poverty. I know people in this government that they came here, they bought government land, they are finished buildings. I know all of them. I know all of them. So nobody should talk about Ora again. Ora is collapsed. We have collapsed it. One day when I get angry, I will release everybody's land document.
Me pato nti wa wo hwe Ora enim se Ora beba be bibi ama no. Kwame Asari A plus. Say men kan kire mo say enye adwuma. Me pato pa. Kwame Asari say Ora no yagu no. Mo bi akora mo chese men kan Ora asem kora bi na yenkwase asem kora hwe nim. Again, Ghana's taxpayers' money gone waste. Na mekai brankrofo we wini ye. Na omodi ora be hwede okuda to block ye. Be hwede okuda to kakawure block gina ho ye. Mr. President, this is the document one. And the A plus say, you know, your friend is saying, ora ne dia obi am forget it because there is nothing. Ora ne collapse. Now omu himself 4 years no omu nyan to aso. And that is why they are stealing like there is no tomorrow. Now, final one.
Ghana for we see our short memory. We will short memory no switch Ghana for.
Hey.
Your mama we will short memory no. A switch Ghana for.
Sir?
We see a quit short memory. Your mama say we are within in our better. Go buy ya no. Ya tisoda. If you see a woo papa woo mama woo nana. Your mama coco. If you say baby I say I'm tisoda. Oh was so better so. Your mama she ye ne dia warrior. Na sa wini mu a wo se wakoto pray no ana beto waguo
Hey,
pray no eno ana beto waguo se kwakwa sika e ka pray no ho a eno ana beto waguo
hey.
na no wasi
about hey na plane no still a enkrofo afu plane no plane de na me dwen san kama gya ika ho. Hey, ya ne mama plane no hwe na wan fro yesra you are our president. China di with presidency no 4 years and they can di we. Why, Mr. Your mama, me pacho, why na plane no time for I assembly. Yeah, if you are funny broom, you will plane no. Mr. Why? We need you alive. Sabi, end this for former president for the namun to me who sa and say bit now. You know, some party na ya bron some for party. And two be mo I won't chenu. But your best Mr. For plane for a while now, oh brother, and the plane, it is somewhere for the Okofa, umbe tutu ne ties in who the air catcher no. Good. I feel my men start to fire kakra. So yeah, we have about 20, 30. Yeah, we have about almost 1 hour. Yeah. Yeah, what time kakra. Mama, we have offended you. I'm just saying then I'm on the door. So I'm trying to go through it as much as I can. Now, Mokai Abranti be your friend Dela Edem. Some Mokai Dela Edem. Obedi President Kufuatem. Samokaya. Obedi President Kufuatem Poto. Do you guys remember? Aye. Na Kufuo Ebra Boninti Ena Sebe Ote wheelchair mu. Samokai. They let them me who be man na no ya. Onfenyansa Antone Kasa want to say the let them that me she be that. NDC communicators na the opedia or time bonnet ashe ni mu the let them. Bema sebio one ne yere ekupo clear ho. Untumi ne nko ba bia ma ne yeye. Ebi ne the let them. Bema ne yiri nku ene ne samena sebe wafra odesra odidware eno na odidware untumi ntro so sa bema opo no so de plan be bema oblichi said but na oja ne bleaching face no ho na we be so ba womiem na we be so na adom na odi o matem me say NDC for come and won e bantem too much I say it's coming too quick. And now you did let them Aqua Minerals Commission. On no PRO, Public Relations Officer of Minerals Commission. Mom said this is mountain interview. They let them. You dream. Keta seche proyebi akoso. Now your friend or not on fan no crano metal. I'm going to let them as some worker. I'm telling some of umbe wu bonia ketua eni wu bible ne kan enu ntu umbe wu yanko.
And then somebody from Attorney General Department.
Someone who said I'm kind of saying Gold Fields. Who are the true owners of Gold Fields? Health Gold Fields.